Hello everybody, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tour beautiful home here in Summerlin. As you can see on my background, that is the single story home, and this is the community here. It's a little windy, so I apologize if my voice or sound is a little weird because of the wind, but I wanted to show you guys this community here. I am surrounded by mountains. When you live here on the upper area of Las Vegas, you'll appreciate what I mean related to the mountains. And today we're gonna tour a single story house which is called Ethan, right? And I am so excited, guys, because when it comes to a single story, they have a really nice tall ceiling and a lot of open areas as well. So let's take a look together of this amazing single story home by Lennar. Alright guys, we are going to tour this house. Look at the stone work there. Here, two-car garage. I like that their garage have that kind of glass so that it makes the light goes inside your garage. But take a look at this stonework. I like that it has that seating area there. So let's take a look. As you can see, guys, this is Ethan, 2,500 square feet, two-car garage there. As you can see, you can put your seating area here and watch the mountains there. Look at the mountains, guys, right? While you're seated here, you can watch the mountains. Right, it's quite windy here today, but I wanted to show this one. Okay, I like this, that it's double door. You know, I would change this to color orange if the association allows, because I like an orange door. That's just me. Ooh, look at this. Oops, sorry about that, guys, again. I didn't know it's gonna sound that hard. But look at this, guys. Nice flooring, but I would choose a much lighter color of light flooring there. Let's see what's happening on this side. You know, it's a little dark here because I don't think they have the recessed lighting there. I would definitely put a lot of recessed lighting. Ooh, nice seating area. Okay, nice. Lots of windows here. This looks like they staged it as if you're. It's not a full size, meaning it's not like a bed. I feel like you can sit here as well. Well, you can probably put like a TV here. Okay, let's check out what's happening here. Hello, guys. All right, nice walk-in closet for your secondary bedroom. It's definitely appreciated. You have your sink here. Hello. And then, you know, I would choose a really nice quartz for the counter. And then this is your full bath here. Again, they've used this tile for easier cleaning. But I love the floor here. I believe this is shared with another bedroom. So let's take a look at the bedroom. So as you can see, guys, this is your secondary bedroom. But it is currently staged as an office. Right? It is an office right now, but definitely this is a bedroom because you have that walk-in closet there. Okay, I just opened the light so that you will see how big this is for a secondary bedroom. It's a walk-in closet just for a secondary bedroom like this. It's much appreciated. And I think, as I mentioned a while ago, it's a Jack and Jill bathroom because you have another bedroom sharing that full bathroom there. Ooh, I'm seeing another half bath. This is specifically for your guests, right? Because this is the entrance there, and then this is the first bedroom that we saw a while ago. All right, guys, are you excited to see the main living area? Here we go. Before that, this is the garage. Again, with Lennar, you have that future car charger for your electric car. All right. Wow, this is another open area. It looks massive, guys, when you're here in person. This is definitely a massive open floor plan. Wow, and their pantry is huge. I will put like really nice cabinetry here to make it more interesting, but you can walk here and maybe stock food for 10 years. Just kidding. Yeah, a lot of food that you can stock there, guys. Definitely your family, your friends would appreciate a lot of snacks there. All right, let's take a look at this kitchen. Look at this, guys. This is a different style of a backsplash. And this is definitely a quartz, guys, because I've used this in Maryland. It has that kind of glittery. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it is somehow glittery. It has some kind of sparkle. I used that in Maryland before. Of course, this is your cooktop, and this is definitely vented. Right. Again, these two, let's check it out, guys. If these two will hit each other, not a big deal for me, but again, I don't like when two of these are hitting each other. Right? But not a big deal. Something to think about. All right. So I'm going to span from this side, guys, so you can appreciate the openness of this main living area. And guys, this island is massive. I like their huge sink there. So this is your living area. I'm going on the side of this living room so you can see how it looks like from this side. And then I'm gonna go here as well on the dining area so you can appreciate. That's the door. It's the living room area. It's quite dark on the video because there's not a lot of lighting. I feel like you have to have a chandelier here for your dining area. And I have a suggestion, guys. If this is the floor plan you're gonna choose, I'm gonna put like a mini counter here for cabinetry so that you can store some of your wine, right? All right, let's take a look at the backyard here. Definitely we cannot go outside, but I wanted to show you here. Here's your backyard. It's definitely not a pool-sized backyard, guys, because you have that roof there, but we can always ask the builder if they have lot premium. You can probably put like a small jacuzzi here if this roof is not there, but definitely nice to have that kind of roof. It's a very private backyard. All right, let's check out the owner's bedroom. Let's see what's happening there. Ooh, look at this. So this is the owner's bedroom. Before we go there, this is the laundry area. Massive laundry area, but I will utilize this for my dog's bathtub. I will put a bathtub here so that my dog will not go to my bedroom if I wanted to clean my dog. I believe this might be the garage. And they opened it. Wow, this is massive, guys. Right? First time ever that we were able to see the garage. This is a massive, very deep, because it's all the way there. I feel like you will be able to put 4 cars here back to back. Huge car, like trucks. Because this space is huge. It doesn't show in the video, but when you go here in person, it's definitely huge. All right, let's close this. I'm surprised they let this garage open. Usually they close it. Okay, are you ready, guys? What is this? Let's check it out. It's a coat closet. I thought it was a secret door to your secret room. Ooh, love this area here, right? You can put your shoes rack here. All right. Ooh, this is a massive. Yeah, it's a massive. I will put again a lot of recessed lighting there. This is a massive bedroom area. Let's see what's happening on this side. Okay, so this is your walk-in closet, guys. Definitely walkable, right? You can share this with your wife. Your wife will put a lot of their Gucci bags there or whatever they have. And this is the double sink, guys. Hello. This is massive. You still have some space there, right? It's a massive space. Shower area, I would definitely upgrade this to a nice tile, wall tile. But this is a massive bathroom, guys. I just have a suggestion to make this more interesting. So I will put like a LED lighted mirrors that you can buy at Amazon, and then you put like the surrounding with nice tiles. Right, because right now it's a little boring for me, but if I put like all the tiles there and massive LED lighted mirrors, then this will be more interesting. All right, so this is your separate toilet there. We're back on the main owner's bedroom, and again, guys, always have this door. You'll appreciate what I mean in the future when you can access your backyard from the main bedroom area, right? This is your amazing main area, and they use this wallpaper there, but I will definitely design this with massive wall panel, like wood paneling, because I love wood panel there, and I did a lot of designs, guys, that I will also feature on this channel in the future. All right, let's go back to the main area here. Definitely a nice open floor plan. You can see everyone here talk to each other without hassle, right? You can watch your kids, watch them while you're cooking here so that it's easier for you to take care of your kids. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will see all the videos that I post on a daily basis. And also, check out the channel page. There's a lot of home tours there that I did. I feel that you will really like them because it is a lot. And there's a lot of designs there, so please check them out. And again, I appreciate you guys for helping me grow this channel. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, guys, I always wish you a great and amazing day.